In this video, we'll use hedera-agent-kit to build a blockchain AI agent using OpenAI Open Router, LangChainJs, LangGraphJs, and Hedera. Previously, we have started from scratch and built agent.js, which is a blockchain AI agent with very minimal functionality. If you have yet to, go watch the first video from the beginning of this playlist. Links will be provided in the description. Hi all, I'm Brendan and welcome to Hands-on DevRel. Let's initialize a new script file named kitagent.js. This will be where we create a new AI agent, and it'll be just like the ones we've used before, except this time, instead of using the two LangChain tools that we created earlier on, we'll be using tools from hedera-agent-kit. So let's install hedera-agent-kit from npm. Note that at the time of recording, I've had to make some local changes to hedera-agent-kit to work. My PR has been merged now, so you won't need to do this yourself. The difference is that hedera-agent-kit now allows you to pass in an instance of a Hedera client, which you can initialize via the SDK. Once I have the hedera-agent-kit instance sorted out, I can convert all of the methods it has within it into LangChain tools. I will use the create hedera tools function to do so. Then I combine the joke tools and the tools extracted from the kit into an array. Then use that array to initialize a tools node. Next, I create an instance of the large language model, the LLM, pass the LLM instance plus the tools node into create React agent. I also pass in checkpoint saver, which in this case will be used to persist the chat conversation history and agent execution steps in memory. Now we have defined our agent, so we'll need to interact with it. We'll just copy and paste the CLI chat code from agent.js. Let's run the script. We'll fix up the import issue, pretty straightforward, and then run the script again. The chat has started, so let's type a message. Let's use a prompt that should invoke the joke tool. Next, let's use a prompt that should invoke tools that perform Hedera transactions. Note that the Hedera tools that we created earlier in this repo are not even imported. Instead, the Hedera tools come from hedera-agent-kit. Now, one of those tools should have posted the joke as a message to the HCS topic. Let's check on Hashscan. There we go. We see that the message was indeed added to the HCS topic. Nice and simple. Alright, we're done. See you in the next video where we'll make an AI agent that interacts with Hedera using Model Context Protocol or MCP. Subscribe to get notified when it comes out.